Hey, Maggie.
Look at there's the other Maggie. See? Looks exactly like Maggie. Come on.
Are you happy? If you're happy, you know, wag your tail. Hey, Maggie. Oh, no. I'm going to get your toy. I can't have your toy? Aw, so excited. That's... Hi. Hi. Hi, Maggie. God. Too excited sometimes. Oh. Alright, guys. I just want to... Sorry. I forgot to do my intro. Again. Hey, guys. I'm back. I'm still on a walk with my dog. I forgot to do the intro. Well, I'm gonna do another one when, well, we come back. Another video. And actually, just saying, I'm gonna make the kids Sonic.exe movie first. So be on the lookout for that. And see you later when she is ready to get back on the camera. So bye, guys, and see you later. Peace out.